Hello Aquarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Aquarius, this is your reading for the mid of April and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, Aquarius, we'll see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down and then we'll see what you need to know. Aquarius, let's see what you need to know. Aquarius, let's see what you need to know. Aquarius, let's see what you need to know. We have Five of Pentacles. Five of Pentacles is telling me there are probable changes in your career. Maybe you're switching careers, maybe you're switching from 9 to 5 to doing something of your own. Or it is also possible that once upon a time you had fantasized having a very strong connection, a very strong romantic future, a romantic relationship, a future romantic relationship with this person, but now you're deciding to walk away. I think so it's a final call that you're taking. Maybe this connection was going on and off, but you have put an end to it on a permanent basis. Wasn't easy for you and wasn't easy for this person as well, because I do feel like there was some sort of a soul bond that kept both of you together for a long period. But this connection was continuously bringing a lot of disappointment. This connection was continuously bringing a lot of dissatisfaction. There was no emotional fulfillment at all. And finally, you have decided, you probably invested a lot in this connection, Aquarius, okay? But you have decided to let it go. You're not waiting for any kind of return from this connection. And you are like, whatever I have, I'm going to pack my bags and I'm going to leave this connection. For some of you, relocation is pretty likely. For some of you, exiting from a certain connection is very likely. I think so. For some of you, in the next couple of days, you might meet someone for the one last time, okay? And you are walking away from this person with a very heavy heart, okay? The Page of Wands. I do feel like you're tired of acting mature all the time. You are feeling like, I have never been pampered in the relationship. I am the person who's always acting very mature, very understanding, very loving and caring, but this kind of energy never gets reciprocated. I never feel this level of maturity from anyone, okay? I want to act like a kid in a relationship, but no one wants to pamper me, no one wants to mature, no one wants to act mature in a connection, okay? And you probably are looking out for relationships where you can get that prince or the princess treatment, a prince treatment or a princess treatment. You want to feel loved, you want to feel pampered, because that's what exactly you do when you are a part of relationship. You pamper the person like crazy even when they are not even expecting that. Ace of Pentacles, something related to money, guys. Maybe new work related opportunities are coming towards you, or maybe your focus is getting shifted when it comes to making money. You're already working towards two three options and your focus is getting shifted over here, okay? Your focus is getting shifted towards making more wealth. You're looking out for money making opportunities, but I think so this is something that you're manifesting from the bottom of your heart, Aquarius. And because of the fact that you have manifested money making opportunities, those money making opportunities are coming towards you. Someone from the past who was acting a bit immature when you guys were together, this person is coming back with a very solid offer. This person might come towards you with an offer of love. You probably walked away from this person not just because this person was emotionally immature, but probably they did something that hurt you deep down. This person lied and betrayed or did something, but now they're coming back. They are coming back with a very solid offer. They have realized that they cannot live without you, and there is something that they always gained from you, and this person cannot ignore that they have gained a lot from you, whether it was comfort, whether it was love, whether it was money in any form, okay? Whether it was they evolved, whatever they have evolved in their life, whatever they have matured up in their life, they have matured up because of you, and they know that, okay? And that is why this person is coming towards you with a very solid offer, but you are coming across as very defensive. You're like, I just saw 444, by the way. You're coming across as very defensive, Aquarius. You are like, I don't know. I don't know if I even trust you, okay, or not. I don't think so. I trust you. I don't even know what kind of feelings I have for you. Okay, you're coming across as defensive, you're coming across as closed off. You do have feelings for this Aquarius. I think so. You still have feelings for this person, but somewhere you are trying to control yourself. Look at his robe. His robe is completely covering up his body. It's like he's trying to hide his body behind that robe. He's trying to hide his emotions behind that robe. And like he's trying to show his sword. Like, you try to come close to me and you'll have to deal with the sword. It has taken it took a lot for me to hide my emotions behind that rope. You come towards me and you try to make me vulnerable all over again, expose my feelings, my emotions to you, and then you end up disrespecting my feelings and my emotions. You go somewhere else. Okay, I don't want that bullshit from you ever again, so don't try to come closer to me. That's the energy I'm getting, but you do have a lot of feelings. This person is very obsessed with you. They don't want to, and somewhere you know that this person is obsessed with you. It's not just about they have gained a lot from you. This person has love for you, and this person is also obsessed with your body. That's what I'm hearing. They don't want anyone to touch you. This person thinks that there is a sense of entitlement over here. They don't want anyone else to touch you, and somewhere the devil right below the page of wands is kind of making me feel like this person probably is aware that they won't be able to fulfill your expectations for a long time. Okay, like even if they level up, they are going to take some time to level up. Even if they mature up, they're going to take some time to mature up to reach your level. So they know that they won't be able to fulfill whatever expectations you have, but they want to stop you. In other words, probably control you. But they are missing you, guys. They are missing you. This person has emotions for you, but they know that they screwed up. There is a lot of thinking, overthinking, there is a lot of spying. Okay, this person feels like you probably have walked away, you have no interest in them, you're holding yourself back. Okay, they are confused. This person doesn't know what you feel. Okay, deep down they're reminiscing all the past moments. This person is regretting, probably they have taken a lot of time in coming towards you. I think so this person is going to initiate some sort of communication. They will come towards you with communication. They will come towards you with an offer. I think so this person will become vulnerable in front of you. If this person was holding himself or herself back, this person is going to open up. Okay, temperance card. Balance is getting restored, guys. Balance is getting restored in some situations, whereas in some situations, you're walking away because you're coming to realization that this is not the person for me. Yeah, you are asking the universe to turn the wheel of fortune so that you can be with the person that you would want to be with, a soulmate, a twin flame, a true love, where your love is getting respected, where your love is getting reciprocated, where you are feeling respected. Yeah, where there is an equal give and take. Wow, where there is commitment. Maybe this person was not committed to you in the past. Maybe this person put you in a third party situation, because I am feeling from the first card itself, I felt like this is your energy, this card is related to your energy, and this person has hurt you deep down. Maybe they inflated your expectations, they portrayed a big picture in your mind, and their words and their actions never matched, and they ran away from whatever they were supposed to do. But now they have intentions to come back and make things right. But I think so for some of you it's late, for some of you you're going to accept this person back. Be careful when you're trying to accept this person back. You're dealing with someone who has some really good manifestation powers, but there is also someone who's going to give you the princess treatment and the prince treatment, who's going to treat you like a king and a queen. The treatment that you deserve is coming towards you. Okay, but it is coming towards you from a new person. That's what I'm feeling. Even if you go back to this past person, they will try to do their best, but somewhere it's going to take time, because this person is in the page energy and you are in the empress energy. You're in the king and queen energy, you are in the emperor and empress energy, and this person is in the page energy. They are coming across as someone who is very immature. Wow, a lot of love is coming towards you. New beginnings for many of you. All right, Aquarius, I want you to claim this message in the comments section. Okay. I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time. And bye bye, guys. This is your spread. I'm happy after a long time you do have something positive on your plate, Aquarius. Take care. Have a great time. And bye bye.